Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Unique World, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a personalized jewelry company called Silviax. This is a great company if you're looking for personalized items or gifts to give to like your family, loved one, or friends. So I can't wait to do the unboxing for this company. Okay, so I guess for the first item, I'm going to go ahead and share with you and the box. So Silviax personalized jewelry, and this is what it looks like when you open it. It comes with a jewelry cloth for you to clean your jewelry with. Okay, and this one is actually special to me because I got both my kids' names on the jewelry, and that's what it looks like. And I'll let you guys know what length I got as well. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so here's what it looks like with me putting it on. So I really like it, very strong. This isn't like thin at all, but I'm going to leave a picture of the item on the side, as well as show you several items that they have, because they have a lot of items. They have rings, necklace, earrings, and even jewelry that isn't personalized as well. So I'm sure you can find any items that you would like to just order for yourself or anyone that has a special day coming up. But I really like this necklace. And I'm gonna go to the next one, which I'm really excited about. And as you can see, I have earrings in my ear already, but I'm gonna just go ahead and take those out because the ones that I did buy, and I'm dropping my earrings, is from Silviax Jewelry as well. And here's the box. Okay. These are so cute. These are really pretty. Okay, they do seem a little heavy when I pick it up, but let me see what it looks like in my ear. And if you can see, I got my nickname, Niqua, on the earrings. Okay, but when I put it in my ear, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. So these are cute. These are very different from what I would normally wear because, as you know, I'm very conservative, so I don't like really like out there type items, but this will definitely fit somebody's personality that is really outgoing and want to be seen, because I know I'm gonna have people trying to figure out where I got these earrings from. I'm just gonna put in my ear. Okay. This is really cute. I really like it. Definitely great for a up hairstyle. Definitely cute. And I will also leave a link so you can see if where how I did this hairstyle as well. But let me give you a close-up. But here's the necklace. And here are the earrings. Camera doesn't do any justice. It's really shiny and I really like it. But yes, so I'm loving these earrings and this necklace, and I think it's like really cute. I might have to take these outside so you guys can see what they really look like, but they are really cute. So yes, I really love the earrings and the necklace. If you guys would like to order your pair as well, you can definitely use my code, as well as see all of their information in the description box down below, so that you can, you know, check around and see all the other items that they have. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Until next time, peace. And also, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.